Cheddar, it's nothing but cake. It's nothing but game. What the fuck is a break? I can't even count all this money I made. I'm making this guts, can't make a mistake, can't make this shit.
What up, fam? Man, the sun is killing me, man. It's so hot out here. So, my boy Will, a while back, I don't know if y'all know, I don't know if I said it on the other videos, but my boy Will, he got hit on his Raptor. He's riding his Raptor 700. He sits on the road, going to put some gas in it. And he goes to turn in the parking lot and the chick hits him. Bam, flips him off the bike. Long story short, his bike got fucked up. And I ended up fixing it for him. I got him back going. So it's only one thing left to do. Let's go do some wheelies on the Raptor 700.
And it's so much more chill riding on a quad than it is riding on a bike. Like sitting on the couch, riding a bike. Listen to that, Will. You hear that? Way less scary when it you can hear when I hit a smooth one. You got all day to hit the brakes. Man, so get that clutch pop. You get a good clutch pop. And smooth on that throttle, you get all day to hit the back brake. But first you gotta have that back brake control. Numero uno. Is the brake control. Shifted. Should I hit 12 o'clock right there and then I'll let go? I'm tripping. Hey, this is my Raptor now, Will. This is my Raptor. Gotta sell me this motherfucker.
Hey, Stone, Mountain Moto, kick dirt, rev it up, we gone. Any land, turf, or terrain, we own. YZ, gas, blowing that strong, yeah. Ooh. Hit the trail, just me and my crew, baby. Riding through the ATL, ain't nothing new, baby.